How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily save your TikTok video drafts to your gallery without having to post it. So usually what happens is if you want to download your video, you're going to have to post it first. And then if you tap on this, you'll have the save option. But if you don't want to publicly post this, but still want to download your TikTok drafts, you first have to open up your draft. And once you open your draft up, from here you could just go ahead and simply tap on the next button. And here on your more option, what you're going to do is change this to your audience. And on your audience control, you're going to post this to only you. So what this will do is it won't publicly post this to your profile. So just tap on post now and confirm the post. Now, once your post has been done, head over to your profile and then click on this lock icon to see your private video that you've just posted. Now, once this is done, tap on the three lines. Now you could easily save this to your gallery. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.